Posting content on Patreon. Posting is the easiest way to share your content with your community on Patreon. You can write a casual update to your patrons or share chapters of your upcoming novel if you're an author. And you can also add attachments to your posts like PDFs. You can share your videos, give bonus episodes or bloopers or behind-the-scenes clips. You can share image galleries, podcast episodes, music tracks, or live streams. We also have a lot of great integrations that will help you save time, stay organized, and deliver this great content to your community. You can use Acast to deliver secure RSS feeds to patrons so that they can listen on any podcast app. Use Vimeo for secure patron-only video, Bonjoro for custom welcome videos, Discord to create a patron-only chat community, itch.io to give patrons access to your game, and MailChimp or ConvertKit to connect it to your email list. Check out all the other wonderful integrations available in the app directory and see which one might be right for you.